since my heart is brightened through that joy which I enjoy. And I see love chooses and shares, by which I expect great gains. I must refine all my songs so that nobody can misquote me on anything, because one ends up exposed for very little. He whom pure love has chosen lives easily, courteous and wise, and he whom it refused it vanquishes and drives completely to ruin. Because whoever wants to blame pure love, it makes him loiter like a fool until he thinks he's died by its guile. Such are the false judges and robbers, unfaithful husbands and false witnesses, men of false color and slanderers, demagogues and wreckers of monasteries, and those fervid whores who return other husbands' attentions. All these will have a hellish reward. Murderers and traitors, simoniacs, magicians, debauchees and usherers who live by criminal pursuits, and those who cause sortileges, and the reeking witches will be together in the burning fire. Drunkards and meddlers, false provosts and false abbots, false cloistered monks and false cloistered nuns will suffer there, says Marcabru. For all false people have their place reserved, pure lovers promised it, there where the pain of the despairing is. Oh, pure love, source of all good, who have enlightened all people, I beg you for mercy. Against these wails may you defend me, lest I be held there. For wherever I am, I consider myself in your thrall, and comforted in all things, I hope you will be my guide. I quell my heart through this piece, for it reproaches me more than the others, because he who wants to indict others should rightly keep himself from being vitiated by the crimes of which he indicts and preaches. Then he will be able to censure safely. I quell my heart, it reproaches me more than the others. He who wants to indict must keep himself clean, or the fire. But if he is well chosen, who knows to recite and recites it well, may he, if he wishes, remember my peace.